Hello guys! Good afternoon, good morning sa lahat po na nakikinig at nanonood ng aking video. For today's video, tuturo ko po sa inyo kung paano ko ito ginawa. Ito po ay isang ring holder. This is, I make two for the bride and for the grooms. Okay? Let's start now! Okay. Ipapakita ko pa sa inyo mga needed things. First, this is the flower I made last my video tutorial. Ang gagamitin ko po ay yung mga ginawa kong mga flower using my cloth. So as you see, this is my latest video that I show in the YouTube last time. So, in addition on that, ang gagawin po pala natin ay isang ring holder for the wedding and another one is coin holder. For today's video, only for the ring holder, okay? Because this one is almost the same, but this has divided into two for the bride and for the groom rings. That's why I make these two for the separate case for the rings. So let us start now. The standard size of this must be 12 by 12. So this will be the standards we need. As you see, we need cloth. Any cloth po pwede, kaya lang ito lang po ang available sa akin. So, I use this cloth as ito naman yung case na ito po ay cartoon na bilog na ganito po yan, mga ganyan. Pinutol ko lang siya ng 1.5 inches, tapos yung cover niya is half inch, and this one is 1.5 inches. So for just for your information, this is the first one. Then I just cover this cloth, it becomes like this. So it's up to you how you manage, but as long as any cloth po pwede. Just that's the only thing that I have is this one. So I make this kind of wrapping. So it's better po cloth because it's washable. Okay, so ito ikinat ko lang siya ng half inch as a cover. Then kinover ko rin po siya dito para dyan. Tapos sa ilalim, nilagyan ko na lang siya ng cartoon. Now it's okay kasi ang hirap mo nang yan. Tapos dyan kinonect ko lang po ito dyan ng karayon. Connect. We need also loose fiber. This is loose fiber. We need loose fiber. So the first things to do is, this is 12 by 12. Then we have the remaining this one to put all the loose fiber here inside. Okay, once it's all inside, just draw or imaginary this design that you want to be, what you want to have. before, you know, I don't know what is the size I should make when I was new in this business. So I need to learn more. Now that I know the standard size of this is 12 by 12, so I just want to share you the size and the design. The design is, it's all, maybe there is some in your mind more than here, more than what I am doing. But for me, this is the available items, the available materials. Depend on your available materials. Doesn't mean this is exactly what you need to do. Pag every time po na gumagawa kayo ng mga ganito, keep your children away from you. Kasi we are using glue gun, we are using needles that not suitable for our kids, okay? Take a small piece of cloth. Take a little fiber, loose fiber, and do it like this. And keep it inside for the holder to hold this one. So this one, I will show you how I make this one for your reference also. Tadaan! Tadaan! Right? Very easy. But then you put here. Okay, and then this one face there, so this one should be like this, okay? So should be like this, okay? So what I use is only this, also this. I have like this. It's depend on you what the colors of your flowers you are going to put. I have like this, and then I supposed to put here, and this one to put here. Using our glue gun, just put like this. Charan! This is it. One seat. It is. And this is the one also. So this is my tutorial of the flower. The choosing of flower is depend on the motif. Supposedly it's more white, but I don't have available white now. So this is what I have. The design also is depend on you guys. The design is depend on you and your availability. Now that I have lots of available flowers like this, it's easy for me to put as it does. This flower is made by cloth. My last tutorial is in my video. Just watch that one. Thank you guys for watching. This is my DIY key ring holder during your wedding day. This is made by cartoons, just like this. This is how myself creativity and my creation. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you in my next vlog. At sana po nag-enjoy kayo at may natutunan kayo sa aking munting paliwanag. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks. Bye-bye.